Hi everybody, it's Sandeep again. The purpose of the video is to show how to take the flow and return temperature on the water heater like this. So this is the Andrew water heater. So this is direct hot water uh, heating system. And on this video I will show you how to take the flow and return temperature on this type of heater. So you can see, so this is the flow pipe. So this is the flow and this is the hot water return. So it's hot water return up to here, and then it goes inside the water heater. But from this part, this is the cold water inlet, which meet here the T. So if you have a situation like this, then you can take the temperature here for the return and here for the flow. So let's start. So this is my thermometer. So this is Kane thermometer model KM330. So this is the surface probe. So I'm touching on the flow and you can see the temperature going up on the display. So the temperature of flow is 62.7. So normally the temperature of flow, it should be more than 60 degrees Celsius. So 62.7 is fine. So I'm going to do the temperature reading for the return. So same again, touch the pipe with the surface probe and read the reading. So it seems like there isn't that much difference between flow and return. So that means, the water is going out and it's coming in, and in between the water hasn't been used that much. So that's the reason why there isn't any difference, that there isn't that much difference between flow and return temperature.